Hello peeps, I'm here from Spain. I made another video but it takes 90 minutes to load. It's so long. So I catch this inexpensive camera. It's very old camera, but I think that will do the job. Well, this is my miniature from Warpath Mantic. This is some orcs. This is a heavy weapon, I think. This is normal guys. This is the leader of the squad. Have a power claw, a fist or something. And well, there is another one, 25 I think that I have. This is a Raptor. It's a vehicle with 3 wheels, and this is how it looks like. I have a lot. I think this is all. Well, I use a pair of clippers to cut the parts, a cutter, and I don't know how it's say in English, but you know. And this is the brushes. I have number 3, number 1 and double 0. This is a very thick brush for the details, and I start to paint. Brown, green, weird green I think it's called, and the mouth red. I think you can see it, but I have some pictures in my blog if you want to check it out. And I think it's all. See you peeps.